Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, now it's time to move to a session that represents leadership, courage, and service at the highest level. वो कहते हैं ना कि मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। These lines stands true for our guest for this evening. इनके हौसले, दृढ़ता और निश्चय के कारण आज देश का हर नागरिक अपने आप को सुरक्षित महसूस करता है। It's a matter of great honor for TechFest IIT Bombay to host one of the most distinguished military leaders of our nation. With decades of exemplary service to the nation, he has played a pivotal role in shaping India's modern defense posture. His leadership stands as a testament to strategic vision, operational excellence, and unwavering commitment to the national security. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the Chief of Defense Staff of India, General Anil Chauhan, PVSM, UYSM, AVSM, SM, VSM. And to formally invite him for the welcome note, may I please request the Director of IIT Bombay, Professor Shirish Kedare, to join the dais and welcome. Thank you so much, sir, for the valuable insights and the motivation. I have collected a few questions on behalf of the students present here. With your kind permission, I'll place those questions before you. The first question is, on difficult days, what keeps you motivated and focused on the larger vision, and what life lessons have you learned in service that you believe is valuable even outside of military?
I think, to remain focused, to remain motivated, or to remain out of focus or remain demotivated is not an option. At least for a service chief or a CDS, this is not an option for me. I have to remain motivated and focused at all times. It's a major responsibility on your shoulder, and this I think is important. As far as in times of stress, what do you do and what kind of lessons you take forward, I think it's important to remain calm under stress. You can remain calm under stress only on one condition: when you have thought of everything which can be possibly affecting you, all kind of contingencies. So in armed forces rather, this is an important thing that whatever you're doing, you plan ahead and you think of contingencies, and when they occur, at least you have thought about it, so you can retain your calm, take a correct decision, and then move forward.
Thank you, sir. We arrived to the end of the session, so thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, thank you so much. You've taken out such valuable time from your busy schedule, and you've come here to motivate such young minds. Thank you for guiding us, motivating us. He's the hero of our country. So, ladies and gentlemen, एक और बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ, let's salute General Anil Chauhan, the Chief of Defense Staff of India. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, एक साथ हो जाए. जय हिंद. Wow, that's the spirit. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. And with this, your host Swapnila signs off.